Hi, good morning everyone. In our last exercise, we have done the formula like a square minus x square minus a square and x square plus a square square root. But what will happen if square root come? Because in last exercise we have done same formula without the square root. But if with square root comes, so your formula will be changed. It is root a square minus x square, integration is sine inverse x by a, and integration 1 upon x square minus a square root is log x plus x square minus a square square root. Similarly, next is x square plus a square square root is log x plus x square minus a square square root plus c. So that is the required formula. First thing, if this type of question formula come in the question form, how will you solve that one? In exercise you can directly change into this form and apply the formula in your required exercise here. But next is, if this type of formula is come in the question form, so how you will solve? So in this way, if I have first question like I is equal to integral dx upon a square minus x square, so here I consider x is equal to a sine theta, x is equal to a sine theta, and dx changes to a cos theta d theta. So when I change the term in this form, so that become a cos theta d theta and a square minus x square is a square sine square theta square. Now when you take a common, and 1 minus sine square theta becomes cos square theta, and the square root it will be cancelled. So what is left it here? A cos theta upon a cos theta d theta. Same term will be left and that will be cancelled. So I is equal to integral 1 d theta is there, and when you integrate this one, integration of 1 is whatever variable you are going to integrate, that is my answer, theta plus c. Now you extract the theta value from here, so that become sine inverse x by a plus c. So that is my required way. Now next is, if there is x square minus a square and x square plus e square form is there, then how you will solve this one? If your question is like x square minus a square, so in place of x, because x is in the front position, so if x is in the front position, negative sign accompany with that, so that is related with my secant theta formula. So here I consider x is equal to a secant theta, and you differentiate this one, dx is equal to secant theta differentiation is secant theta tan theta, that is a secant theta tan theta d theta. So that means in place of dx you write a secant theta tan theta, and in place of x you will write a secant theta. Then your required question changes to theta is a secant theta tan theta d theta, and x square is a square secant square theta minus a square square root. Now when you take a square common square root, so that becomes only single a is left. Then tan theta and a and secant square theta minus 1, so that is identity same as your tan theta. Tan square theta and square root will be cancelled, only a tan theta is left in the denominator. So a secant theta tan theta upon a tan theta is left d theta. Tan theta is cancelled, only integration of secant theta is left, integration of secant theta d theta, and we have the formula of secant theta, integration of secant theta is log secant theta plus tan theta, log secant theta plus tan theta plus c after integration. But I have considered as x is equal to a secant theta, and that means I have to convert this tan theta into secant theta, so I can replace the value in form of x back. So I apply the identity here again in form of secant theta, that is secant square theta minus 1 square root. Now I replace secant theta is x by a, so that was my imagination. In the very beginning we considered that x by a plus x square by a square minus 1 square root plus c, that is log x plus x square minus a square, and in the denominator when you free from the square roots only a is left, so that is a common denominator. So if you take the common denominator, that will be a, but that is a constant term. So log x plus x square minus a square square root, then upon a is left. Then I can open again with the log m upon n formula, log m minus log n, x plus x square minus a square square root minus log a plus c. So that constant term where we have no variable is there, so that merge up with the our constant term. So my required formula of 1 upon root x square minus a square integration is log x plus x square minus a square square root plus. Now my third formula is, if in place of negative, if there is a positive sign, so how I will solve? So that is dx upon x square plus a square square root. So in that case, if in place of negative there is a positive, so we know that 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. So we consider as a x is equal to a tan theta. X is equal to a tan theta. When you differentiate, dx is equal to a secant square theta d theta. Now I replace the value here. Then I is equal to integration of a secant square theta d theta, and x replaces with a square tan square theta plus a square square root. So this will changes like that. After that I will take a square common. To that I will take a square common, that I is equal to integral a secant square theta d theta a square root, where free from the root only a is left, and tan square theta plus 1 becomes secant square theta. Then this square root will be cancelled, a will be cancelled, and 1 secant theta will be cancelled with the power. So only integration of secant theta d theta is left. Again I apply the same formula of integration of secant theta, that is log secant theta plus tan theta plus c. Now I want to replace, because in place of x I consider a tan theta, then I want to convert tan theta back into the x form, but here is secant theta is there, so we apply the identity again to change into the tan form. So that is 1 plus tan square theta square root plus tan theta plus c. Now I can change directly x by a, so that is 1 plus x square by a square under square root plus x by a. Same thing. After that we go with the same procedure we done in the last question here. So that is log a square plus x square square root plus x, and common denominator is a, again log m minus n form, that is a square plus x square plus x minus log a plus c, and this merge up with the constant term. Only my formula is left, log x plus, I can write this way also, x square plus a square. So these are the formulas you can directly apply in your exercise. Thank you. Have a nice day.